baby girl. We are in the game, okay? We are in the game. Cute. So hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I got a new wig to share with you, and this is it right here. Now I picked this baby up from Samsbeauty.com. Now I've been rocking with Samsbeauty now for just about 10 years. I love Samsbeauty, one of my favorite online beauty supply stores. Now this is the unit that I picked up. This is by a brand called Studio Cuts. Now this is my first time experiencing one of Studio Cuts wigs. Now this is their invisible deep part wig. So this is going to be like a full cap wig with like a little lace part, okay? Pretty standard wig. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Now this is called Franchesca, and this is the colors right here. Old Thought Choco, honey. Now I'm pretty sure that isn't a word. That's just something that I just figured I'd say because that's what it looks like. But nonetheless, these are the colors. Now throughout the wig, we do have some beautiful browns and blondes and all that good stuff in this unit. Now it is curling on safe up to 360 degrees, honey. 360 degrees, girl. Alright, so this is the cap construction. Pretty standard. You have the combs at the top, comb at the back, and the adjustable strap. Pretty standard wig cap construction here. But this is the unit. Loving the colors. Now let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so I have her on, and alright, now that right there, honey, you see that right there, that's gonna be a problem for me. Now, okay, you can go down this little part right here and put your concealer, your makeup down, and whatever. Still looks like an old wig with a little makeup down the part. I mean, I don't think that's gonna do much for this, so I'm not even finna fool with that or even try to finesse that in any type of way. Just want to get you a good look at what's going on right there in that area. But the color is cute. I love the curl pattern. The colors is just absolutely amazing. I am feeling it. Now if I can just walk through life with just like some kind of life-size filter to just cover that part up and just give me this, then girl, we good, okay, we good. But there's ways to finesse that, because you can go in and pluck some of the hairs out of this to give it a more realistic starting point, so it's just not like okay, we can fix that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't really know how though. I'm just gonna go in and finagle some stuff. I'm gonna do some Misha stuff. I'm just gonna do what I would normally do. I am gonna snatch out a few of the hairs in the beginning of this part here, just about this much right here. This just has to go. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom and snatch those out and just rearrange it a bit and just twist it up to make it look good, honey, because it's not a total waste. We can work with this. We can work with it, okay? Girl, so I am back finessing my little hairline here. Just brought a little of my hair out and just, you know, did a little swoop with my edge control. This is the edge control that I use. It's by the brand Second Touchdown, and the shea butter. It just smells so good. I love this one. Love this one. My favorite edge control of all times, baby girl. But yes, this is what I did. Just some slight work, and I feel like that works for me. I like it. I don't have a problem with it, and frankly, girl, I think I look good. Girl, I think I look good in this one. I'm giving you Tina Knowles vibes in this wig. I feel like I look like Tina Knowles right now. Totally feeling it. Let me know what you think of this unit. The direct link will be down below for your shopping and ordering needs, girl. I'm totally feeling it. Not a lace front wig, just a lace part wig. I like how fast it was for me to do this. I just pulled out the pack, put it on, and then just, you know, did a little baby hair action near the part and was done. No lace to be cut, no curling, no styling. Bam, boom, here we go. Okay, now like I said, she's pretty long. I give it about 24 inches now that it's out the pack and I've had a chance to like finger comb it and look at it, you know, finesse it and play with it a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you look at the back. Yeah, I love the colors throughout it. I feel like the colors is like evenly dispersed throughout the wig, so you get some of the honey brown and the blonde like all throughout. It's like the perfect mix of coloring. Definitely feeling the wig. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video, so subscribe and hit the notification bell, girl. And be sure to check out that description box. Do not pass it up, okay? Don't do that, okay? Don't do it. Check out everything listed below. I'll see you next time, girl.